Today we are at the Hilton Garden Inn, and this hotel is partnered with the Horseshoe Casino, Council Bluffs, Iowa. And we are going to do a tour. This is a king-size single room. So when you first come into the room, on the back of the entry door, you have your evacuation plan information. And then on the back of the door, you have your little door hanger with your do not disturb information. There's the bathroom. You have a lighted vanity mirror. They do offer a pump style, Naturally Kind brand body lotion and hand soap. There's also tissues on top of the vanity. Your trash can and linens are below. Of course, toilet paper. And then you have extra toilet paper and a hair dryer on the one side of the vanity. Of course, you have your toilet. Then you have a shower with a glass door. And then coming over just to take a closer look at the shower. Same thing with the supplied shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. They are all the Naturally Kind formulation brand. The shower is all tile. And then to say a look at the bathroom. Coming out of the bathroom, there is a large full-length mirror on the wall. And then across from that full-length mirror, there's a open space on the other side that is a closet that is open, and it has hangers, an ironing board. There's your luggage rack on the bottom. There's an iron up there in this little cubby hole. And then they have built-in drawers here that come out. There are 3 of them. And then they have little storage shelves for convenience. There's also an extra pillow at the top. And it looks like they offer dry cleaning and laundry at this location. If that's something that you are interested in. Coming around to the main part of the room, this is a king-size bed. There's an open nightstand on each side. There is a lamp on the one side of the bed. The lamp itself has a USB port and a 120 volt electrical outlet on the lamp itself. And then on the wall, there are 2 USB ports and 2 electrical outlets. There's also some QR codes on the table And those you can scan to see their digital guest services directory, and another one there is for their dine-in menu. There's also a reading light there, as you can see. Coming around to the other side of the bed, same setup. They have the reading lamp, another 2 USB ports, another 2 electrical outlets. And this side does have a small alarm clock with another 2 additional USB outlets. The room does have a LG flat screen television. I would say it's about a 40-inch screen. As far as I can tell, it looks like it has cable television. I do not notice any kind of streaming apps that are available on it, so it looks like it's just the cable TV service. There's an additional storage down underneath the TV. And on the side of the TV as well, there's also a bench where you could sit or you could store luggage. There's also space there for a desk. Additional outlets. There are 4 additional outlets here, 2 on the wall and 2 on the desk. And there are another 2 USB outlets on the desk. There's a lamp on the desk as well, if you wish to work or read or do anything of that nature. There's also the phone for the room. It's there on the desk as well. They have a nice little coffee bar here. There's a Hamilton Beach coffee maker, an individual one. They have cups. Sugar cream packets are available. They also have the coffee mate single creamers also. And then they have, looks like Coffee Bean brand coffees, and there's also Twinings tea. They offer 2 complimentary bottles of water upon arrival. There's an ice bucket with extra cups. Of course, the microwave. And then down below here, they have a refrigerator. This is room 206 of the property. We are on the 2nd floor. We're here on Council Bluffs, right beside the Horseshoe Casino. Here's the view from our room. As you can see, the Horseshoe Casino is right there. Outdoor world is over in the background. Last but not least, there's another lamp in the corner, a floor lamp, and seating area, and small coffee table there. I hope you found this video informational. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And in case you're wondering, the bird is real. It's not a decoy. She's there with our little babies.